It's Math Fun Day! Hello kids, this is Teacher Vanilla and today is our Math Fun Day! Kids, can you guess what will be our activity for today? Since this week kids will learn how to write and count numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So today's fun day activity in our math, we are going to make a paper hand number same like this. For this activity kids, what you need is paper. You will need a paper, a glue, a crayon to color, scissor to cut, and pencil. These are the materials that you need to use. So kids, are you now ready to make this activity? Okay, let's do it together. Come on. Okay kids, in a plain white paper, you are going to trace your one hand, using the pencil. Spread your fingers and then your hand must be steady. Don't move it. Then trace your fingers. See? Don't move your hand. Okay, great. We're done. Then connect it. Good job. Yes, we're done with our first step. Next step, kids, you are going to cut it with a scissor. You need to be careful. Must be someone with you or assessing with you while cutting it. Cut it all around with the lines. Cut carefully. This activity will really help your hands and your front I use pink and in the back I use green color. Yay, finish! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great! So now we will use the glue. Okay, so we need to stick the one finger so that you could see the number 4. See, show me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 fingers. Good So kids, it's now your time to make this paper hen number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Good luck kids, I know you can make it. Don't forget to share your work to me and see you soon. Bye!